What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so much welcome, and kindly subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do stitch lines from parting to braiding. So like this video, comment, share, and turn on post notification, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So first, you're going to part the hair. Make sure you have your gel, either molding gel wax or any braiding gel that you have that you like. And so you're just going to divide the hair like that with a comb. So you're just going to divide the hair like I'm doing here, and then you're going to tie it with a thread, or you can use rubber bands if you have them. So you're just going to tie like once or twice. Make sure you hold the hair well, make sure it's firm, and this is what the gel will help you with, and it will also make the partings be so clean and neat. And so after tying it, you can hold the already tied hair with hair clippers, or you can use another rubber band, or your client or this person you are plaiting can help you to hold the hair the way mine is doing. Yeah, and so basically you just have to part the hair like that up to the end. Yeah, and tie it with a thread or a rubber band, and make sure it's not thin, or make sure it's the same color as the hair. As you can see, for my client here, her hair is black and I'm using a black thread. So you're only going to rotate or tie the hair like once or twice, and then you clipping it, or your client is holding it for you, and then you parting again, you again tie it with a thread. Yeah, so you're just going to do that with the parting up to the end of the line, and that's what we'll do for the whole head or for the whole hair. So guys, make sure you watch this video keenly and watch it to the end so that you can learn something, or so that you can understand well. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment what you think in the comment section, and I'll be sure to reply and read them all. And also share this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on post notification so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. So as you can see, I'm just tying every parted hair once or twice, and then my client is helping me to hold it. Then I part again with my comb, just tiny pieces, and I'm making sure they look neat, or they are neat and clean. As you can see, I'm using my gel. For me, I use molding gel wax, the styling and dreads one, molding gel wax. You can use any styling gel, or any molding gel wax, or any brand, any type of gel that you love, or that you usually use, or that you used to, or any braiding gel that you're good with. You don't have to use the molding gel wax that I'm using. Yeah, so I'll leave this video running for the parting part, then I'll be back when you start braiding. So enjoy watching this video, and continue telling me in the comment section what you think about the video, and also give it a big thumbs up. Share this video to everyone, to your friends, to your family. Tell them to come and subscribe, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. So enjoy.
waterfall. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, I'm back, and as you can see, we're almost done with parting. I hope by this far you've learned something, or you have understood how we part hair for stitch lines. And so we're almost done with the parting. We're only remaining with some few here, and we're just doing the same thing that we were doing at the first, or at the start of the video, at the start of the line. Still using the same thread. Make sure you use a long thread so that it can run from the front to the back, so that you don't have to add more pieces of thread here. And so we're on the last bit of the hair. And yes, finally we're done with the parting, and now we're going to start braiding. As you can see, my partings are so clear and very neat. Look at that guys, look at that. They are so neat. So make sure while doing stitch lines, make sure your partings are so neat. Yes. And so that's the other side. And make sure you tie your hair at the center if you want your lines to be at the center, or you can as well tie them the side that you want, but I prefer tying them at the center so that my line can be at the center. And so we've started braiding. We're just going to braid like we do cornrows. I hope you all know cornrows, or you all know how to do cornrows or pencil lines. And so we're just going to add small hair or small bits of hair extensions or braids like we do while doing cornrows, just like that, the way I'm doing it. Yeah, so we'll be adding hair as we move. Just watch this video keenly and you'll understand well what you need to do. and I'm sure after watching this video you will be able to do such stitch lines or even cornrows. I'm sure you'll have learned something. So we're just going to braid going backwards, of course, like that, while adding hair as we go until you feel contented, or until you feel like this is the size of the line that I want. As you can see, I'm still adding hair to my line because I know the size that I want, so I still have to add hair until I feel like, yes, this is what I want. Yeah, so basically you'll have to do that till you finish that line, and that's what you still do to other lines and to the remaining hair, and that's still what I did to the first 3 lines that I've already plaited. Yeah, so I hope you're learning something, and I hope you're seeing how neat the lines are. So why should you deny me that thumbs up? Why should you deny me that subscribe and that like and share? You should like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment what you think in the comment section, tell me how these lines are fire, subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends, all of them to come and subscribe, your family, and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I'll be uploading fire videos as I have been doing. And you should also check my other videos, yes, because why not? Yeah, and so we're almost done with that line. As you can see, I'm still adding hair because I want the tail to be somehow longer. And so we're done with that line, and we'll be doing the same on the remaining hair. And yeah, I love the outcome. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification. Yeah, we meet again in the next video. Bye.